Cool. So hello, and once again, we are continuing to work on static site generator. And what I'm trying to do today is to finally allow user to create custom pages. Yeah, maybe it will even work. It's not ideal, doesn't work currently, but eventually, at some point, in the future, in the bright future, it will work. So we didn't start it because it's easy, we started because we thought it will be easy. But yeah. So here it is. The current state of the project. I can render basic stuff, but I cannot render custom stuff. I'm sort of allowing the user to define render pages, but inside of render pages there is a problem. Okay, I have template path, and when I'm rendering it, the output is actually has the same name, block pagination page. Wait a minute, it is happening because, yes, of course, because I'm exporting it this way. Right, it should be exported differently. It should be exported as default. Now allegedly it will no, it will it work? It should. Posts map. Right, I'm not passing it. Right, where I'm querying it. So this is the query. Wait a minute. So this is the query, and I'm passing query here, and here are pages. Right, I need to pass pages here as well. So it means so first of all, let's call it posts. So, and since we are in no, let's call it posts here. Okay. Finally, at some point, I will be able to decide once and for all. But let's call nothing posts. And here pages. So I think it makes sense. Right. Okay. I have same route for several pages. Not sure why, but I will look into it. So let's see what I have in the build. No, I have nothing because I'm doing nothing, because here, yeah. So here I'm just printing out stuff. I don't know what this one means then. Yeah, I'm evaluating and allegedly I should have distinct routes. are also distinct. So first of all, let's check if there is a default. It doesn't have what? Default export. But it's not the good place to throw this error because I cannot provide good error message. Here's better. I can evaluate page that doesn't have default export, and here I can actually ask user to look into the problematic page. I believe I will have something here. Let's say template path, and yeah, here I can actually say where is the problem. Good. Don't understand. So if I remove it, well, of course, the problem is here. My God. So here it will guide X. A bit naively, but it's okay. Right, now we have it. Let's see. Okay, I have evaluation. Okay. Nice, evaluation, and I should get evaluation back. Okay, I should get back evaluated. Render to static markup. Okay, so I do have static markup. Now I need to do correct thing. So here I'm evaluating evaluated content, and then I'm wrapping it with HTML. So maybe eval and create pages. So here it will be evaluated content, Now I need to use HTML and actually write file. No, okay, let's see. So let's import it. It's a bit annoying that I'm copying this content over, and you are promise, of course. Wait, HTML assets. Will I have HTML assets here? It is possible. I need to run post evaluation. Oh my god, I need to find a good way to do it. Let's keep it empty for now, but so let's move forward. Model. I do have model. The question is, what will be the right way to import it? Basically, can do it using this command, and it will work. Just not sure, but okay. Now title. Okay. And here it is. Site render. What? Yes. So this is exactly the point. Okay. Now I need a page title render. Here I need to get a page. Okay, let's skip it for now. Let's maybe do it a bit naively. In here, create title, template path, route, and let's define here route, and let's define title. Which will be a string. But I sort of want to do it in same way for both implementations. Well, when I have a build, I don't want to duplicate logic or even create different logic in different places. So here's the logic. The problem is here, page title render, it expects to get page, but in this context there is no page. here's the page, empty, no TSX, and page fields, route, path, relative path. We can build it. Page config. There is no page config here. Title. So maybe I can define title. Let's try to do it. So let's say the title will be required. Title will be required here. It means that I need to provide it here. And what will be the title? Blog page, and let's copy it. Okay. Now I sort of can recreate a page. How to do it? I can do it maybe page following way. I will need to define it, and then I can maybe do something about it. So first of all, config, and I can basically define title based on based on the data that I have. So basically I have now here title, good, and good, I can pass it here, and now I can pass it here. So what is missing now? It's a bit annoying. So page TSX. Now fields route. I have route. It's here. What I need is also path. I have path. Template path. Relative path. Relative path. Let's also use template path. Which is not that correct, I believe, because template path is a relative path. Let's print it out. It is relative. No, it's not relative. It's not. Wait a minute. It doesn't have dot slash in the beginning. which is maybe not that great. And why I do have why do I have it here? It depends on how user define it. Okay, depends on the user. So will it work if I define it like here, like this? Sort of works. Okay. So basically I do have all the building blocks. Now I need to use which part? This part, right? So basically I need to create the actual file. Build page directory. Right. So where I need to do it? Where I need to do it? So first of all, let's take a look on what is happening in target folder in the playground. So we renamed content to playground, which I believe make a bit more sense. So yeah. No, not in built-in target. Pages, block, page 1. Okay, I'm doing it here. Target path, okay, obviously, target path. Okay, it's here. Okay. So my target path is pages block page index without GS. So I'm using relative path. Okay, I see. So it makes sense to create relative path. So maybe I need to create it. So const relative path. relative target path relative one, and let's print it out. So yeah, blog page 1. Right. Right, so now I have a relative path. Now I can create a folder. Okay. So let's see if I have it. Yeah, it's here. So basically what I'm expecting to have is this page index. It should be 1. It should be page 1 index. Why it's not page 1? It's not their name. It's like this. Dun, dun. Yeah, exactly that. So basically I can write this one, and here it is. Sort of start of the pagination. Okay. Ooh. Okay, let's move forward. What I need to do now is actually this URL should lead me to something. Let's see if I can figure it out only using render pages, right? So basically if pages length bigger than 0, then let's create also page. Wait a minute, I'm passing all the pages. It doesn't make sense. I need to pass only a window, only a group of pages associated with the current number of pagination, which will be pages slice, and how it works. Specific and if so basically it will be page index. Okay, and the end will be no, it's not page index. The page index multiplied by posts per page, and the end will be page index plus 1. But I don't remember whether the the last number is included or excluded. I will assume that it's excluded. Which is not stated here. Looks like no, it works. Okay. And not included, but why it's not stated here in documentation? This is exclusive of the element at the index end. Oh. So it's -1. No, it's not -1. It's okay. It's okay. So here what I want to do is also to create a page, but it will be something like this. And slice from 0 to here. Current page index will be 0. Okay. Okay, based on this list, it was created. It's not, pages. Wait a minute, pages, block page, okay, it makes sense. Well, actually, let's bring it back. So to remove confusion a bit. Now it doesn't work, and this one will work. Okay, nice, actually nice. And the fact that this function is synchronous is a bit funny. And the reason it's synchronous is because I'm moving forward. Moving forward. It doesn't explain anything, but what is happening is here I'm rendering. First of all, I'm by calling create page, I'm only creating a queue of pages that I need to create, which I will create later. And the reason that I'm doing it this way is because I want to provide to TSAP all the pages at once, because it will be more efficient, because otherwise we will need to run TSAP for every page, which is not efficient at all. We're trying to do the right thing here. Okay. Why do I have what? Okay. Chunk. Where's this one coming from? Who is referencing it? This is not good. Chunk is created because of actually the way of because of the previous explanation. I'm running TSAP in a way that combines all the pages in one dictionary, and TSAP is rendering all of them at once. In order for this to happen, actually, to create shared chunks, the problem is it's created in the wrong directory. What do I have here? So what do I have here? Okay. All right. So the problem is here, out directory. Basically, I would prefer to define out directory like this, but will it work? So this is correct, but why? Why do it is creating all this shit? And if I define it like this, what will happen? target pages. And what if I define it like this? And what if I define it like this? Okay, now it works. So what was missing is that slash. Okay. So can I just pass it in this manner? I can. Okay, so it's trying to... Okay, what is missing here is the word target, I think. Hello, Shandu. Sorry, missed your message. Hello, Formal Goose Foundation. You have a very unique name, which is okay. Okay. So have target pages block, and what is, so let's try to figure out what is missing. So block page index, it should be target target pages and then the rest of it. Target pages, block page index. Okay. So let's see. So so the import is happening here. Okay, let's see what I have here. Yeah, exactly. I'm missing target pages. Okay, which is actually easy to solve. Wait a minute. This is the problem. This is not good. Not good. Because I'm assuming the operation system here. Not good. Let's do join. So it will be, yeah, it will be CWD, then it will be target pages directory, and then there will be the name of the file. Okay, cool. Yeah. And now it works. Now it works, and I even can refresh it, and it is working, and this is working as well. Ooh. Cool. So pagination, we can say that pagination is done. Let's lint it and let's commit it. Nice. Okay, let's move forward. Now I need a better test for my pagination. And for that I need to create content. Okay. So we'll do it straightforward. So first of all, let's create folder 2025 0205 and okay 01. It wouldn't be very unique, but it is what it is. Index maybe MD, right? And I'll also need, by the way, will I fail if there is no configuration? I should fail gracefully. Yes, I'm failing, but not gracefully. Let's fix it. Okay, errors not. Is it explaining? Where is this happening? It is not explain. It's explaining nothing. So need to do it inside builder in services model, load pages, and I'm loading it somewhere here. Load page config. Okay, read file, obviously. So first of all, let's check if file exists. Exist sync, and here's file name. Okay, throw new build error. Config file doesn't exist for okay. Nice. So what we'll have here, dummy block page, and just let's copy it like this. Okay, so let's create configuration file index JSON, and let's copy it here and let's rename it dummy page 01 2025 February 05, and let's write some random name, text dummy. Okay, it should do. Right, cool. So let's create more. Ooh, yes, yes. Oh, 7, yes, okay. Now I can rename it to 2, and here as well 2. Oh, it's a bit annoying, but it should be 3. Sorry about that. Here 2, here 4, here also 4. Now here is 5. Now 5, 6. Oh, it's a bit annoying. I'm pretty sure that there should be some better way, but I think finding a better way will take more time than just fixing it. Okay. Okay, I'm trying to render image while I don't have image. Why this is the order? Doesn't make much sense. This order doesn't make sense. Okay, but wait a second. So in order to sort it effectively, I need actually to provide the correct date. So this will be 1. This will be 2. This will be 3. This will be 4. This will be 5. This will be 6. This will be 7. Not by date. Okay, should be sorted by page title. File system is the source of truth for the order, not the date. Right, because it's easier. It's something that you see by your eyes, and It's in my opinion, it's far more convenient and easier for user to understand. Right. Okay. Okay. So why am I trying to render images while I think it's in the playground? Render who's rendering this part? I think it's here in a template. Yeah, I'm not checking. I'm not checking whether there is a thumbnail. So I need to do something like this. Okay, nice. Let's remove this part. Now the order. Where do I get the order? So pages are provided here, which I think is something that user can do. Right, query pages, right. But I think I can provide some basic sorting. Which I can do using custom pages creator. Where I'm querying it? Not here. Okay, so here is a querying, and oof, sort. I think it's sorting in place. Yes. So I have page A, page B, and should be able to compare string which is ABC is bigger than ABCD. JavaScript sort strings. What's locale compare? Cool, so let's do it. Good. This is exactly what I wanted. Now, pagination. Okay, now I want to have CSS here. But I don't have it, which is a bit annoying. So basically I can href and block page index +1 think. Right. 1, 2. Yeah. Boom. Good. Okay, now we have links in pagination. But now I want to style pagination, which currently will not work. Let's try it out. CSS and import not pagination page, CSS and pagination link item and display inline block. Let's do padding, I don't know, 10 pixels. Let's add border, 1 pixel. I forgot how to do it. Can I edit somehow? Add the attribute style border 1 pixel. Styles, right. Display inline block, padding 10 pixels. Yes, okay, cool. And border, how would I do it? 1 pixel, 0 black. I forgot how to use border. CSS border. Oh, come on. Okay, 2 pixel dotted, solid. So 1 pixel solid. Thank you. But solid green. Ah, okay. Solid green. Right. So this is it. Okay. So now, if I will build it, it will fail. It doesn't fail, but it will not work. Okay, correct. It's trying. It's not trying anything. Well, CSS is copied, which is cool. I'm copying CSS, which means that partially my code works. But I'm copying it to target, I assume. What? Okay, and I'm not trying to import it. Okay, makes sense actually. I'm not trying to import in JavaScript. I think everything works this way. So right. CSS to pagination, but it doesn't work. Okay, so I need a short break, and I will be back. Okay, and we are back. So now I need to figure out how to copy CSS. And I already have sort of solution. And I didn't try just to see if the solution that I have currently is applicable to whatever I'm doing with custom pages. Let's see, packages, no, not here. Site builder, commands, build. So, okay. Basically, I'm getting from assets and I'm doing the post evaluation, right? And I'm running plugins. Plugins is the solution. And here it is, plugins. The problem is that in plugin I'm also processing raw data, which is which could be problematic. Well, first of all, which plugin do I need? Process CSS plugin, I think. And I also need to process it raw. Okay, so I do need to process it. Right. And the way I'm processing it, I'm creating a raw process data, target page directory. Okay, and also I'm passing a page. Right, but I do have page, sort of. Here it is, page. Where I'm creating it? No, not here. Not here. Right. Oh, it's happening inside of custom page creator. Why? I need to wait to align the code. Currently, I'm once again diving into madness. So basically what is happening here is the same thing. As in a build. Here's the page. And evaluate and create pages is basically do the build. Same thing. It should be the same thing. But currently it's not. Maybe at this point I need to hold here page. So it looks like the solution for CSS is a bit complicated. Maybe I need to do it in a separate branch, and because the current branch is already only massive, so maybe I need to use actual page type here. At this point I'm pretty much copying all the properties of the page here. So maybe I need a class page creator that I will use in build and also here. Which is a lot of refactoring, which is okay, but maybe not in this branch. Okay, let's keep it for a while. Nice. What? I'm asking for 5 and I'm getting 4. Not good. No, it's okay. Okay, so basically querying is the build. So basically, the minimal functionality for querying is done, as I see it. Obviously, I will need to do some additional stuff, like, for example, I still have no idea. Okay, this is done. I still have no idea how to render tags. How to create this part. Because a user should, in a way, get all the possible tags. So maybe user will need to have an additional query for tags. So all the tags. Then user will be able to query pages by individual tag, something like that. I also need to fix CSS for custom pages. Looks like the solution will be aligning build for general pages and custom ones. Maybe introduce page creator that will be used in both cases. Okay. And looks like this is it, for now at least. All right, let's update this as well. It's a bit annoying. Nice. Okay, so looks like this is it for now, and we will continue some other day. Thank you all, and bye bye.